Buckle up, because today we're diving into the ultimate countdown of the best car vacuum cleaners to keep your ride spotless. From handheld powerhouses to battery-fast cordless options, this list covers every mess, every car, and every budget. If you hate stray crumbs under the seats or dusty dashboards, you're about to discover some seriously satisfying cleanup power. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that being said, let's begin. At number 10, we have Monozzle Handheld Vacuum. The design prioritizes portability without sacrificing cleaning power, letting you tackle crumbs in the console, pet hair on the seat seams, and dirt along footwells with ease. Its cordless operation frees you from tangled cords and awkward outlets, while a compact body slips into tight spaces and between seats. The motor delivers a steady, reliable suction across multiple modes, and the ergonomic grip keeps your hand comfortable during longer sessions. Cyclonic filtration system helps separate debris from the airflow, limiting clogging and maintaining suction between emptying. The washable filter cuts ongoing costs and keeps maintenance simple. Attachments include a crevice tool for vents, a brush nozzle for dusting upholstery, and an extended hose for reaching under seats. The large, easy-empty dustbin reduces spill risk, and a simple thumb-release latch makes disposal quick. Compact charging dock keeps the unit charged and ready in the garage or trunk. With practical noise levels and a price that won't scare off casual cleaners, Monozzle offers a balanced solution for everyday car care. Compared to the cordless car vacuum, which I have included as number 9 on this list, Monozzle's balance of size and runtime keeps it ready for quick cleanups wherever you go. At number 9, we have cordless car vacuum. With a slim profile and a lightweight frame, this model slips between car seats and into cup holders, making it ideal for fast top-ups between drives. It uses a compact motor that still delivers solid suction for dust, sand, pet hair, and spilled snacks. The cordless design reduces setup time, and the included charging cable or dock keeps it ready for the next pass. Its filter system traps fine dust and can be rinsed for repeated use, keeping maintenance costs low. 2-speed mode and a long crevice nozzle help you tailor power for delicate dashboards or stubborn debris, while the brushes loosen grime in tight corners. The process of emptying is straightforward through a transparent cup that shows when it's time to empty. In daily use, you can keep your interior looking fresh with minimal effort, and the price point makes it a practical entry point. Compared to the Monozzle handheld vacuum, which I have included as number 10 on this list, cordless car vacuum shines with instant grab-and-go convenience and quick spot cleans. At number 8, we have Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Quick Clean. This compact, everyday cleaner is built to handle the typical messes found in vehicles without weighing you down. A translucent dirt cup lets you see when it needs emptying, while the rinseable microfilter traps fine dust and dander so you can maintain a cleaner cabin without replacing components frequently. The ergonomic handle fits naturally in the hand, and a motorized head helps lift cereal crumbs and pet hair from fabric upholstery. The kit includes a slim crevice tool and a broad nozzle that works well on mats and floor surfaces, expanding its reach. Small LED assists in dim corners, ensuring you do not miss hidden debris under seats. Battery life supports several cleanup cycles per use, and the compact body fits between front seats and the glove box pocket for quick refreshes. Compared to the cordless car vacuum, which I have included as number 9 on this list, Quick Clean emphasizes visibility and portability for tight spots. At number 7, we have A9 Life Handheld Vacuum. This model blends affordable pricing with a practical feature set designed for day-to-day car upkeep. A lightweight chassis reduces fatigue during long cleaning sessions, while a responsive motor delivers dependable suction on hair, dust, sand, and loose debris. Filter system is easy to access and rinse, helping maintain performance across many uses, and the dustbin detaches with a simple twist for clean disposal. A flexible hose, a crevice nozzle, and a brush tool expand its reach into cup holders, under seats, and along door jambs. The ergonomic grip keeps your hand comfortable, and the charging method is straightforward, letting you keep it ready in a garage or trunk. In typical use, this vacuum handles everyday messes with quiet efficiency. Compared to the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Quick Clean, which I have included as number 8 on this list, A9 Life offers a lighter feel and swift cleanup for fast, bite-sized jobs. At number 6, we have Handheld Cordless Vacuum. Sturdy, all-around option that prioritizes reliability and versatility, this model balances weight and suction for common car messes. It features a rechargeable battery that supports multiple sessions per charge, and a compact body that can still mount a broad range of attachments. Flexible nozzle and a crevice tool excel at reaching between seats and along seat rails, while a brush head helps lift dust from fabric surfaces. The dustbin is straightforward to empty, and the filter can be washed, reducing ongoing costs. Noise is kept at a practical level for car use, letting you clean without turning the ride into a showroom. Everyday maintenance tasks become simpler thanks to clear indicators for full cups and easy access to the filter for quick rinsing. Compared to the A9 Life handheld vacuum, which I have included as number 7 on this list, this model emphasizes slightly more suction and endurance for longer cleanup sessions. At number 5, we have Yoto handheld cordless car vacuum. This option leans into a robust battery life and a compact, car-friendly footprint that slips into tight spaces with ease. A strong motor provides reliable suction across multiple surfaces, from fabric to carpeted floor mats, while a precision nozzle kit tackles crevices in cup holders and between seats. Washable filter preserves suction and lowers upkeep costs, and the dustbin is simple to empty with a thumb release. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue on extended cleanup tasks, and a low-profile form factor makes it ideal for trunks and glove boxes. Included attachments cover quick detailing needs, from dashboard dusting to upholstery refresh. Compared to the handheld cordless vacuum, which I have included as number 6 on this list, Yoto offers longer battery life and a slightly stronger pull for stubborn debris. At number 4, we have Fantic Slim Vate Apex Car Vacuum. This model pushes for higher efficiency with a compact chassis and a surprisingly capable intake. A robust battery setup powers multiple cleaning cycles, while a cyclonic intake minimizes clogging and sustains suction. Slim nozzle kit adapts to crevices between seats, under pedals, and inside door pockets, and a brush head loosens ground in fabric without harming delicate upholstery. Maintenance is straightforward with a washable filter and a matte, shatter-resistant dustbin. The device operates with a controlled sound profile that keeps conversations easy during a car detail. In daily use, the Fantic supports fast top-ups for crumbs, sand, and pet hair, and it travels well in the trunk or center console. Compared to the Yoto handheld cordless car vacuum, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Fantic Slim Vate Apex leans toward longer battery life and a sleeker overall form. At number 3, we have ThisWorks Car Vacuum. This classic 12V car vacuum setup emphasizes rugged practicality with a straightforward approach to power and suction. The car adapter plugs into a cigarette lighter, delivering consistent performance for vehicle detailing and sustained sessions. Large capacity dustbin reduces frequent emptying, while a metal or hard plastic nozzle helps tackle stubborn grime in floor mats and between pedals. The filter system is designed for easy washability, keeping the unit ready for rapid turnover on a weekend detail. Set of attachments, including a crevice tool and brush, expands its reach into seat seams and hidden corners. The ThisWorks design balances affordability with dependable everyday cleaning, making it a reliable workhorse for do-it-yourself car care. Compared to the Fantic Slim Vate Apex Car Vacuum, which I have included as number 4 on this list, ThisWorks prioritizes simplicity and durability over high-tech extras. At number 2, we have Black Plus Decker Dustbuster CHV1410L. Long-standing favorite, this model pairs cyclonic action with a bagless dust cup, keeping suction stable through multiple cleanups. The translucent dirt reservoir shows when it needs emptying, while a washable filter helps extend life between replacements. A lightweight design and ergonomic grip let you maneuver through glove compartments and under seats with minimal strain. A simple nozzle assortment, including a crevice tool and a brush, provides versatility for upholstery, mats, and hard surfaces. Cleaning becomes routine thanks to straightforward emptying and easy maintenance. In everyday car care, this dustbuster is known for dependable performance and a price that invites repeat use. Compared to the ThisWorks car vacuum, which I have included as number 3 on this list, CHV1410L focuses on consistent suction and simple upkeep rather than heavy extra features. At number 1, we have Jixinmu Car Vacuum. This budget-friendly pick demonstrates how a compact cordless design can deliver solid everyday cleaning for cars, trucks, and SUVs. It weighs little enough to lift into a seat gap and charges quickly for use between drives. Practical toolkit includes a crevice attachment for vents, a brush head for upholstery, and a flexible hose that expands reach. The filtration is simple to maintain, with a washable element that helps sustain suction across uses. A compact dustbin is easy to empty and reduces mess, while a comfortable grip and intuitive controls shorten the learning curve. Jixinmu Car Vacuum is not just affordable, it also proves that capability and convenience can coexist in a tiny package. Compared to the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster CHV1410L, which I have included as number 2 on this list, this model trades a bit of refinements for a lower price and snappy handling.